Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will be discussing about the large scroll bars in Odoo 17 point of sale. A scroll bar is a graphical element you see on the computer screen and applications. It's like a tiny control panel let you to view more content that what can fit on your screen at once. There are a couple of reasons why large scroll bars are commonly used in point of sale system. Point of sale system often deals with long list of items, especially in the retail stores. This includes product categories, individual items, or even customer orders. A large scroll bars make it easier for your cashier to quickly navigate through these long lists without needing to constantly click small arrows or scroll buttons. Modern POS system runs on tablet or touch screen devices, and large scroll bars are easier to grab and manipulate with finger compared to tiny scroll bars that might be difficult to target accurately, especially during busy periods. A large scroll bars provides a clearer visual indicator of the list size and user's current position within. This can be helpful for the cashier to quickly engage and how much content they need to scroll through a specific item. So in order to manage with the large scroll bar, let's move on to the point of sale. In the configuration settings, we just need to enable the feature under the POS interface. So this would let you to manage with the navigation among the products in your touch screen. So once you enable this feature, you can just move on to the dashboard and you can just open the session and you would be able to find the scroll bars in order to control your touch screen. So let's open the session and you can see the large scroll bars over here where you can easily navigate within the products. Now let me add multiple products over here, and if I just want to add the product that is above the screen, you can also use this scroll bar and add that. So it's make your ordering easier where you can just now go with the confirmation of the product for the customer Azure interior. So it's very easy to manage with the large scroll bars. It's simply a graphical element to control your screens. So now let's validate the process, and here we have just done. So I hope this video clarifies how to manage the large scroll bars in Odoo 17 point of sale. So if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.